Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering common mistakes beginners make when using Rufus and how to avoid them. If you're new to creating bootable USB drives and want to get it right the first time, this video is for you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. The first mistake beginners often make is choosing the wrong USB drive. Rufus will format the drive you select, erasing all data. Always double-check the drive letter before clicking Start to avoid losing important files. Next, many beginners use the wrong partition scheme or file system. For older BIOS systems, you need MBR, while newer UEFI systems usually require GPT. Similarly, FAT32 is best for compatibility, but NTFS is needed for large ISO files over 4 GB. Choosing the wrong options can prevent your USB from booting. Another common mistake is using a corrupted or incomplete ISO file. If your ISO isn't fully downloaded or verified, Rufus may fail to create a bootable USB, or your computer may not recognize it. Always check your ISO before starting. Some beginners skip the formatting step, or try to use the USB without proper formatting. Formatting ensures the drive has the correct structure to be recognized by your system. Using quick format is usually sufficient for most users, but it's important not to skip it. Finally, not keeping Rufus updated can cause problems. Older versions may not support the latest operating systems or hardware, which can lead to errors. Make sure you're always using the latest version of Rufus for best results. In short, the key mistakes to avoid as a beginner are selecting the wrong drive, incorrect partition or file system settings, using bad ISO files, skipping formatting, and using outdated software. Avoid these pitfalls, and your bootable USB will work smoothly every time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are new to Rufus, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.